Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the trimmer line on an 18 volt Ryobi 13-inch model P2009 string trimmer. Alright, you can get the replacement from Home Depot. I get the multi-pack for about 20 bucks, something like that. So what I had here now is about 10 and maybe 8 foot of line right here. I'm going to show you how to replace this. You don't need to take the whole head off, but if you do, I'll show you how to do it just for the sake of showing you how. First things first, what you want to do is you want to line up the arrows on the head to the arrows on the housing unit. Okay, make sure those are straight. And then you want to make sure if you look through, you can see all the way through both sides. Just so make sure it's even. Okay, so now that that's even, what I'm going to do is take my line and feed it through. You should be able to slide this right through. Sometimes you may have to adjust it. Okay, so now that you have it going through, you want to make sure that it's evenly distributed on both sides. Okay, so as we're doing this, about even. I do like this trimmer. It works really well. One thing I did notice when I was doing this, that the spring here was missing. Okay, I must have gotten lost when I was doing it in the yard. I didn't even notice it, didn't even know there was a spring on there, and then I realized as I was looking up some videos and things like that that I was missing the spring. So first things first, I got this balanced out on both sides. I can put it back on the head. Just line up the holes right here to the notches right here. You want to push it down. There'll be a little bit of resistance, of course, because of the spring. Okay, so now that I have that in place, you can actually depress this and you can tell that the spring is fully loaded. Now in order to line this up, what I want to do is, you can use one of those tools that they come with. You can just turn it. You can hear the clicks. And you notice the string is going down to where it needs to be. You want to get it level on each side, so about 6 inches on each side. Okay, so about 8. Okay, it's about 4 or 5 inches on each side, maybe 6 inches. And you want to make sure that it's in there good. The press is good. The spring is in there. Now you want to try it out. Everything looks good. Now, so this thing works awesome. If you don't have the spring in it, what's going to happen is it doesn't completely depress the whole unit. So the string will start to unwind because there's nothing holding it in place. It'll just get real loose. So all in all, that's how you do it. And hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.